In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Weebly account very easily. Whether you're looking to simplify your online presence, start fresh, or perhaps switch platforms, deleting your Weebly account can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. I'll guide you through it to ensure it's as smooth as possible. First, let's get started by logging into your Weebly account. Once you have access, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your site name displayed. Click on your site name, which will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for you to explore. In this drop-down menu, you're going to select the option labeled Account Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. It's important to remember that these settings are your control hub, allowing you to change your account information, manage your subscriptions, and of course, delete your account if that's what you need. Now that you're in your account settings, look for the My Data tab. This tab is crucial as it contains the options related to your personal data and privacy. Click on the My Data tab to proceed to the next step. Within the My Data section, you'll see an option called Erase Data and Forget Me. This is the feature you'll need to use in order to delete your account. Weebly provides this tool to ensure compliance with data protection regulations and to help users who wish to completely remove their information from the platform. It's important to understand that when you choose to erase your data, this action is irreversible. Therefore, Weebly requires some additional confirmation before proceeding. Take a moment to consider if you have all your important information backed up or if there's any necessary data you might want to retain before finalizing this decision. Once you're certain and ready to move forward, click on the Erase Data button. This action will set the process in motion, and your account will be deleted from the Weebly platform. And just like that, you're done. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. By carefully following these steps, you can ensure that your Weebly account is deleted correctly and efficiently. Remember, once you erase your data, there's no turning back, so be sure it's what you really want. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one.